happen to have with me Marco Horselenberg from Sutherland-Shultz here today to kind of give his perspective. He's one of the experts in engineering and asset management, and he's going to give us some of his perspective on what he sees in the industry. And we're quite fortunate to have you here. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, Joe. Yeah, one of the things we see happening in industry is a lot of tendency to go into let's say total care contracts, where contractors are not just providing consultants and advice, but also have the skills available to execute the work. So it's a kind of a one-stop shopping solution for our customers. One of the things that's critical in there is being able to execute. So you've got to have the skill trades available to do that. And I think that's a major challenge I see nowadays, especially coming out of Europe, where we've seen this happening many years ago already.
Tell us about that. You're from Holland originally, right?
Yeah, I'm from Holland. Yeah.
And Holland's actually developing something I find fascinating. They're actually incorporating maintenance as a competitive advantage for their whole country.
Oh, absolutely.
And using it as they're using like Silicon Valley, they're using Maintenance Valley.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
Well, there's a lot of government interest in doing that, and government sponsorship of getting this off the ground.
Why is the government interested in it?
Well, I mean, it's the driving force of your economy. You got to be able to.
Maintenance is the driving force of your economy. Your government understands that.
Absolutely.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. This is definitely a thing that our government picked up, fortunately, and sponsoring helping a lot of industries in developing this.
And they're using that as a retention tool to keep the companies from moving overseas to other countries, right?
That's it. Yeah. Maintaining competitiveness. That's what you need to be. You need to have the skilled trades to be able to execute it. So, yeah.
Well, that's great. And then what your organization does, as I understand, is again, you provide contract maintenance. And I read something, it's a wonderful thing. It said aging companies need insultants, growing companies need consultants.
Yeah.
So insultants for aging companies to get them to change, consultants to get them to advance and grow.
Yeah.
And so if your organization goes in and you can provide the labor and the ideas and inspiration and processes to implement that, you can really provide a competitive advantage.
Absolutely, yeah. That's what we see. The competitive advantage is certainly there, and it's easier for the customer. I mean, it's one ass to kick, so to call. It's one source actually that's providing all the design, but also be able to execute it, and we'll be able to go into baseline performance levels in a company, and then the company can pay us based on results. So if we achieve the next steps, there's wins for the company, there will be wins for us too. So if we don't perform, we don't earn any money.
So it's like a performance-based contract.
Yeah, absolutely, it's a performance-based contract.
Wonderful. Well, great. Well, any thoughts that you have, or you'd be willing to share that things that our viewers would have an interest in learning more about? Why is maintenance important? Why do you have such a passion for maintenance?
I have such a passion for maintenance. We see in the industry a lot of automation kicking in. We do less. We do more and more with less operators. But it means that the installations, the equipment is getting more and more complicated, and we need far more skills to be able to maintain it. Take your own car, where 10, 15 years ago you were able to do maintenance on your own car. Now you cannot do it anymore. You need to go to specialized shops where they have specialized equipment and specialized skilled trades to be able to work on your car. And it's the same happening in industry. It's the job of maintenance is becoming more and more important, and that's the future as well. I mean, to be able to be competitive, we got to work more efficiently with less people, but skill levels will be much higher. So it's actually, I would say, to the guys and girls that are in the schools now and are thinking about future destination, maintenance is really a high-tech and a very attractive job to work in, and a very important job for the future. So
maintenance is not janitorial, maintenance is not landscaping.
Yes.
Maintenance encompasses electrical, mechanical, electronic, hydraulics, pneumatics, servo motors, the whole gamut.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, I greatly appreciate your time today, and thank you again for all the contribution you're making to the industry.
Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.